Welcome to the EvTrack Visitor Management System Guide for hosts. This video covers the essentials for managing your daily visitor tasks, from sending invitations to tracking arrivals and maintaining your host profile. Alright, let's see what we have here today. This guide is structured into 4 key areas: getting started with the portal, inviting visitors, managing self-registration for your guests, and tracking the arrival and departure process on site. The visitor journey is straightforward. You invite and approve. The visitor receives the details, arrives at your site, checks in at a kiosk or reader, and eventually departs with a final thank you email.
To get started, visit your EvTrack login page via your web browser. As an example, app.evtrack.com or the domain name chosen by your organization. Log in using the username, password credentials provided by your site administrator, or use your organization's single sign-on option if available. Once logged into the EvTrack web portal, your dashboard displays current and upcoming visits. You can also quickly invite visitors via email, send or generate a pre-registration link for a guest, or review and approve any pending visitor requests.
To find existing records or add new guests, navigate to the sidebar menu and click the Visitors button. Then, open the Visitors tab to view your complete history. To register a new visitor, simply click the blue Add button on the Visitor History page. This opens the entry form where you can also edit or delete existing visitor profiles. When adding a visitor, ensure all details are accurate to avoid delays. You will need to provide identity information, contact details including an email address, and the specific reason for their visit. Once you save the information, a green banner confirms the profile creation. The Overview tab centralizes all captured data, providing easy access to the Invite, Profile, and Event Management tabs. With the profile ready, click Invite to configure the visit. Select the visit reason and type, assign a host, and specify if parking is required. Finally, set your check-in and check-out times and click Generate Invite. The system automatically sends an invitation email to your guest. You can also share the pass via WhatsApp or Telegram, print or download the badge for your reception desk, and resend it if needed. If you prefer visitors to handle their own registration, use the Send Pre-Registration feature on your dashboard. Simply select a location, enter their email address, and send the invitation link. Upon receiving the email, the visitor opens the link or scans the code. After completing OTP verification, they can choose to register individually or as part of a group. Finally, the visitor completes the registration form by providing their personal details, photo, and identification. Once they agree to the terms, the application is submitted for your review. When a visitor submits their registration, you will receive a notification email. This email includes the visitor's details and a link to the portal where you can approve the registration. Navigate to the Visitor Registration tab in the portal to review pending requests. Here, you can verify the visitor's photo, ID, and documents to ensure all compliance requirements are met. Once you have verified the details, confirm the visit reason, location, and timing. If necessary, use the Parking Override feature, then click Approve and Invite to finalize the process. After approval, the system generates the visit pass and automatically emails the QR code to your guest. You can also resend it via message apps or print the badge if required. Your visitor will receive an email containing their unique QR code, relevant site rules, and parking instructions. They also get PDF attachments, including their permit and disclaimer documents.
For visitors with reserved parking, entry is seamless. A number plate recognition camera at the boom reads their plate automatically, matching it to the approved visit and opening the vehicle barrier. Once your visit is complete, you will also exit the same way. A camera will read your number plate and open the vehicle barrier for you to exit.
Let's see if this works. Perfect, there we go.
Once on site, visitors typically gain access by scanning their QR code at a turnstile, checking in at a dedicated kiosk, or reporting directly to the reception desk. You can monitor your visitors at any time through the dashboard. Use the filters to view upcoming visits, or search by host or status to track the progress of a specific guest. If a meeting changes, you can manage the status directly. Access the Actions menu for any visit to edit details or cancel the pass. Simply provide a reason, and an update is sent to the visitor. When a visit is canceled, the guest receives an immediate notification. Their QR code will be deactivated and will no longer grant access to the site. Remember that as a host, you are responsible for your visitors' safety, compliance with building rules, and their timely departure. Ensure their registration information is always accurate. Thank you for using EvTrack. If you need assistance with your invites, profile, or any other features, please email our support team or log a ticket for a resolution.